Lekki, and you can key into for a high return on investment. As you can see over here, here is a beach. So imagine you own an estate here in Ibeju Lekki having a beach. Right, so let's look at the estate. Thank you very much.
Massive appreciation is what beachfront properties are all about. Now, have you ever thought of owning a property that's so close to the beach? I mean, having to wake up in the morning with peace and tranquility to plan your day away from the busy streets of Lagos and having a favorite go-to spot for relaxation with your family. Allow me to introduce you to the most sought-after beachfront property right here at Ibeju Lekki, the Citi Ocean View Estate, located at the very heart of Igondo, facing the coastal road that links to the VI within 20 minutes and shares close proximity with the deep sea port and Dangote fertilizer. Few months ago, this property got sold at 3.8 million. Now it is selling at 5.5 million naira, but with 4.5 million naira promo price, you can be a landowner here. The title of this property is Gated, and it has a very flexible payment plan. If you want to keep in touch with nature and you love luxury, call the numbers showing on your screen.